Hey guys, welcome back to the Rockford YouTube channel. Just real quick, wanted to show you this amazing deal over at Home Depot. We have the Ryobi 18-volt 5-tool combo kit for $179 in stock and free shipping. And I'm going to show you, it has 1,043 available at the time of recording. Some people want to block all this information so you don't know that the item's already sold out by the time they posted the video, but I digress. 5-tool combo kit. Comes with a 1.5 amp hour battery, comes with a 4 amp hour battery, so you're getting 7 total pieces. That comes out to $25 a piece, not counting the charger or the bags. We don't count that. You got the drill, impact driver, angle grinder, light, reciprocating saw. It's never too early to start thinking about Christmas. Perfect Christmas gift. Maybe a little housewarming gift. Maybe you keep it for yourself. Whatever you want to do, that's a really good price for 5 tools, 2 batteries. And I'm not crazy about the 1.5 amp hour battery, but I really like the 4 amp hour battery. You know, a lot of times with these style of kits, they'll try and slap you with 2 1.5 amp hour batteries or 2 really small batteries. And then they include an angle grinder and reciprocating and so on. It's like, what the hell are you doing with this 1.5? You got to have the 4. So it's really nice that they included that. There it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Make sure you give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.